Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. I am V. If you're new here, welcome. Returning subscribers, thank you for coming back and showing up and supporting me and being my cheerleader. Today's video is the collab with the group Beauty Over 40. We collab every last Tuesday of the month, and our collab theme this month is to use 2 to 3 new products. It just happened that I received my order from Collab, which is like right on time, and I'm going to use my MAC Press Powder Foundation in NW45. So far I have 2 new things to use, and I will open my package and show you what I received. And I love inside this box. It's a honey, I'm home. Yes, you are. Take a look. How cute. Yes, I love it. And it came in something like this. And because it's new, the theme is new product, I'm showing you what I received. My new product is the Queen Bee by Collab. And the next new item in there is Sunset Chic by Collab. And the Matte Lip Kiss Me Paint by Collab. So far I have 3 new products, and my MAC makes 4. So I'll be using one of these palettes today to create the look for the group Beauty Over 40. All the ladies that are taking part in today's collaboration, their information will be in my description box. Please go visit them, show them a like, show them some love, and if you like their content, subscribe. I never know what I'm creating, so this is what the inside of the Queen Bee palette looks like. The packaging is just like the palette, and this is what the Sunset Chic palette looks like. Let's have some fun. Take your palette out, let us create something beautiful. We're all creative people, and we're all beautiful people. Keep watching, let's see what I create. This packaging is so cute. So cute. I love this. And I will be using this palette. I end up getting these 2 palettes and a lip color because I had a $25 coupon. So that's how I end up with these palettes. I was like, I need to use my $25 coupon, so let me use that now and get the palettes. And it just happened that it arrived in time for this color, because I was looking, I was like, what do I have that's new product that I can use? So I was like, okay, I'll just find what's so new in my stash and use it. But then this came yesterday, so I was like, perfect. So we're doing the black first. Take your palettes out, let's have some makeup fun, let us create, let us stay beautiful and keep creating. We are all beautiful people. So this is the black. Very nice. It went on well. All the ladies' information will be in my description box. So go check them out, please.
Keeping me waiting.
My second new product is my MAC Pressed Powder Foundation. It is in the shade NW45. This is what it looks like. It comes with a sponge which holds hair, and this is the mirror. I press it into my skin first and then I will smooth it out. This is the look that was completed for the group Collab Beauty Over 40. And today, I would like to wish the founder of the group Beauty Over 40, Lavinia, a belated happy birthday. Her birthday was September 24th. Happy birthday, Lavinia. I pray that everything you wish for and work hard towards will be yours. Our theme was try to use 2 to 3 new products. So I used Queen Bee by Colored Rain. That was my first new product. Then I used my second product was the MAC Pressed Powder Foundation in NW45. My third new item is by Colored Rain, and it is called Kiss Me, which is the lip color, the outline of that lip color I am wearing, and this is what it looks like. It is very pretty. So again, those are the 3 new things to match the theme for the collab. Please go visit the ladies in the collab. The links to the YouTube channel will be in my description box. Today's motivational and inspirational word is victory. Victory. Let us all aim high, work hard, and have victory and success in everything we do. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I simply make up a saying to go out there, live life, have a fabulous time. Bye.